happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, guys. I just finished drinking my milk and I'm still awake. I am Dawson. Ayan. Katapos lang namin padidiin and then umalis na si Calvo, pumasok na sa work. And it's almost 6:30. Mag-brush ako ng aking teeth. Habang karga-karga to kasi naglalambing while Brayden is actually fell back to sleep on his own kasi iniwan ko lang sila doon habang naghuhugas ako ng bote nila, nakatulog yung isa. Itong isa, naglalambing. So, hindi ko siya gaanong nakasama magdamag kasi si Brayden yung aking inalagaan magdamag. Si Calvo yung inalaga sa kanya. Pero, hindi ko maintindihan kasi for some reason, yun nga, ayaw nila sa kanilang daddy. Tapos ngayon naman, ayaw nilang dumede pag si Calvo yung may hawak ng bote. So yun, kagabi, I have to do it by myself, lahat ng padede. So guys, nandito kami sa bathroom. Mommy is going to brush her teeth while Dawson is watching. Tahimik siya kasi. Naku-curious siya kung anong ginagawa ko. Wait lang, hindi ko makita yung toothpaste namin. Baka ubos na yung isa. Ito, ngayon pala. Yan. Nakatingin lang si Dawson. This is the reality of motherhood. Kapag ganitong ayaw magpalagay ng bata, karga-karga mo. Ayan guys, nilagay ko si Dawson doon sa kanyang crib. Ayan yung glow in the dark toy. May music siya. I'm just gonna let him there until he got bored and cried. Maglalaba muna ako ng kanilang damit. Ang ginagawa niya. So guys, today is the first day I'm training them to sleep sa kanilang crib. Hindi pa sila natutulog doon ever since. Narinig ko na. Siguro mga 15 minutes pa lang sila nakakatulog. I know that this won't last long, but I think it will be better eventually. Kailangan lang nilang i-train. Daddy's home for lunch.
Yeah, what's my lunch, honey? Did you get me something?
Me. Joke.
I ain't got that much time.
I'm going to heat up my, what is it, Han?
Oh, your sub.
Sub.
I can't have it.
You can,
I'm
do
just
you want to?
kidding. No, I'm
Yung
just
sub ko kagabi, kalahati lang yung kinain ko kasi ang laki-laki, di ba? And I'm going to heat it up. The twins are still sleeping. Sana patapusin muna nila akong kumain
I'm
bago.
gonna go hold Dawson.
I think I can. Why?
I'll wake him up and leave.
I think I can hear someone. Ito yung aking. Nahintay ko talaga si Cubs. Okay, they're still sleeping. It's 12:40. Late mag-lunch ngayon si Daddy. Why are you late, Han?
I wasn't paying attention to the time, and that's.
Can I just heat it up like this? Put this in the oven. Microwave like
Yeah.
this.
Can I keep this up real fast?
I have a big one. Ayan na guys, katatapos lang po namin maligo. And we're both cranky because we are so sleepy and pacifier is to the rescue. Kasi nagwawala na yung dalawa. Yan, ilalagay ko na sa kanilang bouncer para matulog sila kasi nagwawala talaga. Antok na. Kapit kamay po kami. Galit na si Dawson. Guys, naglalaro lang sila with music. They like listening to music. Bati pa sila ngayon. Mamaya mag-aaway na yung dalawa. Hi, babies! Brayden, don't hit your brother. They're so cute. They're so big. They're so chunky. Daddy is making our dinner. It's
Yep.
spaghetti.
It's
Yum.
quick and easy. I know.
I
it's
love
like-
spaghetti with meatballs though.
we just don't have time to cook it. I don't know. I wish there was a service out there that provided food. We could just heat it up and, you know, like they delivered it to us. We could pick the food.
We still have a lot of formula there on
Yeah.
top.
We got 2 over there.
Get to.
We got our baby bottle making station.
Naririnig ko na yung dalawa. Here's your spaghetti. And here's the sauce.
With meatballs. The noodles are done, I think.
Okay. So here's our dinner. Actually, my dinner. Kasi ayaw ni Calvo ng meatballs. Ang kanya ay sausage. While watching the babies there. Medyo naiinis na sila. See, nagpapakuha na. Parang ang laki na agad nila. Guys, ngayon pa lang ako makakaligo. It's 7:30 in the evening. Mukha ko. I'm so stressed kasi I've been trying to calm them down or put them to bed kasi nga I can't take a shower kapag mainit ang ulo nila kasi hindi nga sila mapatahan ng daddy nila. So, yun, it took me a while and then now I think Dawson is still awake pero hindi siya umiiyak. I know they're not gonna be babies forever but I'm just so stressed out. And then I think this one of those days na kasi 'di ba yung mga ibang baby kapag mga ganitong pahapon na or paggabi na nagiging iyakin. So there are days naman na hindi sila umiiyak kapag ganitong oras.
It does me, but worse. He did it now. He won't stop.
So daddy is trying to burp Brayden, his brother and sister-in-law and his nephew and niece just leave the house.
Yeah, the other side of twins. My brother's twins are here.
Yeah.
Niece and nephew.
Yeah, I didn't vlog them because the twins were crying. Oh my god. I finally make Dawson settle down. And now Brayden is starting. Hi guys.
He'll quit crying if I burp.
I need help.
His
What are
legs
you
stiff.
doing?
His legs are stiff. He's pushing himself out.
Nag-aaway silang dalawa ni Brayden. They're getting too big and then their changing table are getting so small now. Sometimes you would hold this bar right here.
I know. It's funny.
Hi Dawson. Do you like it?
It's a little bit honest.
Hi baby. Look, he's not crying now guys. Yan, tapos na yung kanyang crying session. Daddy is changing his diaper. Hey baby. You're a good boy.
Yeah.
You're a good boy, aren't you? Huh? Hi. He's looking at the camera.
Say hi.
Hi baby. Daddy, good job.
Hey, quit farting on me, boy. This stink. Little stinker. I'm getting that diaper on in case you do decide to do something.
Thank you, Daddy.
Mhm.
So yun guys, nagbihis ako ng damit kasi naglungad si Brayden and we're actually going to, our couch is old and we're going to buy a new one when they're already grown up. Pagtapos na sila sa kanilang spit up.
Probably when they're done taking bottles and spitting up.
Yeah.
Maybe late at the end of the year, I don't know.
Daddy is making latte for me.
And for me, we need something to keep ourselves awake.
But the twins are already sleeping. So I just hope that they won't be crying that much when they wake up. Si Brayden.
I hope not either.
Yeah. So, yun lang for today, guys. Pasensya na kayo. Kayo lang ang aking sasabihan ng aking frustration. But, of course, we're happy. They're healthy and they're active babies. We love them so much. Maraming salamat, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!